Hey guys, do you need help in your affiliate marketing journey and need help seeing the desired results? You're not alone, and chances are you're making costly mistakes without realizing it. But don't worry, I got you covered. Today we're going to dive into the 5 affiliate marketing mistakes holding you back in 2024. And avoid these and you'll be on the fast track to saving time, money, and a bunch of headaches. And the final mistake, it's sneaky, that even the experts slip up on. So stick around because you don't want to miss it. So let's get into it. Okay, mistake number 1 is not understanding your audience. This is the foundation of marketing, but many affiliate marketers skip this crucial step. If you're promoting products that don't resonate with the audience, you're not just wasting time, you're losing trust. Your solution to this is spend time researching your audience's pain points, desires, and what keeps them up at night. Use tools like Google Analytics, surveys, or even just the comment section of your content. Gather insights, align your offers with your needs, and you'll see dramatic differences in your results. Mistake number 2. Over promoting products. We've all seen those channels or blogs that are just one big sales pitch. It's a major turnoff. Bombarding your audience with non-stop promotions can lead to fatigue. People will start to ignore your content or worse, unsubscribe. Instead of focusing on providing value first, offer educational content, tutorials, or personal stories where the product naturally fits. Think of promotions as a side dish rather than the main course. Your goal should be to build trust first, and then sales will naturally follow. Mistake number 3. 3 is a biggie. Ignoring SEO content quality. You might have the best affiliate products in the world, but if your content isn't optimized, no one will find it. And the quality isn't there, they won't stick around. Your solution to this is always do keyword research before creating content. Tools like Adheres, SEMrush, or even Google's free keyword planner can be lifesavers. And make sure your content is top-notch, well-written, engaging, and most importantly, helpful. Quality content plus smart SEO is a winning combo. And number 4, tracking your performance. Mistake number 4, not tracking your performance. You can't improve on what you don't measure, right? Too many affiliate marketers throw links out there and hope for the best, but that's not a strategy, that's just wishful thinking. Use tracking tools like Google Analytics or affiliate-specific tools like ClickMagick. Monitor what's working and what's not. Track your click-throughs and conversion rates and see which products perform best. This data isn't just numbers, it's your roadmap to scaling up. And mistake number 5 is neglecting to build an email list. Social media platforms can change their algorithms overnight. Suddenly, your reach drops to 0. On the other hand, an email list is something that you own, your direct line to your audience. Start building your email list from day 1. Offer value-packed freebies like a guided checklist or related to your niche in exchange for their email. Once they're on your list, nurture them with regular valuable content, not just sales pitches. This builds their relationships and primes them for your affiliate offer. And there you have it, my friends. The top 5 affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid in 2024. Hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest mistake in affiliate marketing? Let's learn from each other. Stay tuned because next week I'm diving into best affiliate programs for beginners that can start with 0 upfront cost. You don't want to miss that. This is Scott with SpringHillFox.com. Peace out.